Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and this channel is all about helping you find the best work from home jobs available so that you can have a career working from home and being with your family and living your best, happy, healthy life. So if you never want to miss another job lead that is posted, make sure you have those notifications turned on. That way YouTube will let you know every time I post a new job lead, but we'll keep today's job lead very short, sweet, and to the point. The company Memo, I hope I am saying that correctly. This is a startup company and they work in the computer science education field. They also have an app and they help millions of students learn to code and advance their careers and become computer developers. They are hiring a remote work from home admissions manager. Now they do hire worldwide, so it doesn't matter what country that you are in. So a little bit about the admissions manager. You'll lead and improve the admissions process for their cohort-based programs from start of enrollment, guaranteeing a high conversion rate through a stellar student experience. You'll spearhead all communication with potential students and design a playbook for the communication from prospect to closure, monitoring key metrics to streamline the process, and you'll empathetically identify and understand the needs of the students. So you are going to help the students by answering any questions that they have about the program, getting them set up, enrolled, all of that. So a few requirements that they have is that you love engaging with people, you're an avid learner yourself, you are a doer, not a dreamer, you have great communication skills, and you like to optimize and figure out where processes can be improved. Now, they are a remote work advocate, so they work a little bit differently. They have a distributed team working between the Eastern Standard Time Zones and the European Standard Time Zones for collaboration. They do have some options. It says if you're located outside of the time zone range and you want to move to Australia, they'll handle all the work permit process for you. If you live in Vienna, they have a physical location there if you want to work there. Most of us want to work remotely, but they offer variable options for whatever fits with you. It also says they love working async, so you get to set your own schedule that works with you. I imagine you just have to be available some during these time zones for collaboration when it is needed. This is a startup company, so they offer amazing benefits. Most startup companies do. They have a remote first mentality. They offer 25 days of paid vacation. It says they sponsor team retreats throughout Europe, so they offer a $720 personal growth bonus. The salary for this position is anywhere from $54,000 a year all the way up to $63,000 a year, and it says you get automatic 5% increases every year, so that seems like a cost of living inflation raise. And it looks like they give you some equity or company stock as part of your benefit package. If this position interests you, or if you apply to any of the positions that I post, please leave it in the comments down below and let us know. It's always great hearing feedback and to know that these job leads that I am bringing are being helpful to someone. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.